So the question is, as far as the planning process, what about the aesthetics? I know lights are part of a big engineering issue, but I don't know anything about, paint colors on a bridge. And also, how do you participate in that process as a citizen?
Well, the participation stuff, the answer to that's the same one I've been given all night. You've got to be involved. You've got to contact your elected officials. You've got to let them know what you think, and you have to hold them accountable. It's real simple democracy 101. In terms of aesthetics, the most ubiquitous public spaces that we have in this country are our highways. And it's amazing how ugly we can build them. And they don't have to be that way. You can go to other places in the world, and those public realms are beautiful places. You just have to have that as a value. Unfortunately, not picking on engineers, but they don't teach that in engineering school. And to a large extent, our society has delegated that part of the public realm to the engineering profession and the highway department. And aesthetics is not something that they're trained in. And if it's something that we want as citizens, then we need to be talking loud and clear and let people know that at the state level, because a lot of our roads, again, are state highways, as well as at the city level.
Yes, sir, back there.
Oh, I was going to, can I jump on it?
Yeah,
now?
real quickly.
I just wanted to say that there's another piece to that, and that is that the values that we express as a community are what's going to save us and attract the millennials we need to move forward. Because there are people making decisions. When my wife and I came here on 2005, and we saw the Big Dam Bridge being built, and we chased around down there on Clinton, and we went over and saw Argenta and what they were doing over there. And we said, heck, we could take a piece of this. And we saw a community bakery was a good third spot for us. We needed a third space. So we checked off all the things we needed and moved here from California. Other people could be more critical or less critical. But if we want the kind of creative talent that a community needs to survive, and you could read Richard Florida has written extensively about what creative capital is all about, we need that creative capital to succeed, and those aesthetics are critical. The trouble with aesthetics is there is not a performance criteria that can be easily applied in any sort of cost-benefit analysis if you do one.